Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are great. So in today's video I'm going to answer a question that most of you have been asking me on my hip pad video. So if you find this video entertaining, interesting, or if you learn something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. There's a video that I shared with you a month ago on hip pad. If you haven't watched that video, I'll put a link in the description box down below just in case you're interested. On that video I had worn a medium size shapewear, and that's the bit that most of you didn't see, because most of you are asking me what size it was. It was a medium size. Also, most of you are asking me if they can wear a large, because most of my clients wanted medium size. At the moment they were sold out, so they were asking if they can wear a large. Honestly, I wouldn't advise you to wear a large when you're a medium size. So this is the first medium size. I'm going to show you the difference. This is the medium size. These are the sizes of the pads. Also, the question that most of you have been asking me is if they come together. They actually come together, the shorts together with the pads. That is the size of medium shorts. This one is extra large. The difference between the pads are not that big. They're almost the same, because this is extra large. The shorts for extra large, they're bigger. So if I wear this size and my size is medium, it really won't fit me. It really won't look good. It will form bulges in your outfit. So I really won't advise you, if you're a medium size, I won't advise you to go for an extra large just because you want to look more curvy. Also, you might look fat. So as you can see, the difference is on the shorts. That space, as you can see the difference. So another question that also most of you have been asking me is how to insert the pads. You really don't have to wear the shorts first then you insert the pads. You can insert the pads and then put the shorts on with the pads in the pocket. Don't do the same way, or because I also realize like most of you are telling me they can't like push the pads inside when they have the shorts on. Like for this one, you can just like insert the pad first. The pads are inside, and then I'll go ahead and put on the shorts. I'm going to show you in a few, and then after now you put on the shorts, that's when you're going to adjust and make it like smoother in the shorts. Then it has pockets on the side, this side and this other side. So you have to know like where this pad has to go, and this other one you have to know where the pad has to be inserted. So like this one, this is supposed to go on your right side, this one is supposed to go on your right side, and this one is supposed to go on your left side. So just note that before you insert them in the pockets. This part goes to your butt and creates that smooth appearance at the back. Fold it and then insert it in the pocket so that you have something like that. And then now when you try it on, you're just going to adjust and make it smoother. And then do the same on this other side. So just fold and insert it in the pocket so that you have something like this. Because for me it was easier like putting on the short and then inserting the pads when I have the shorts on. But then if you can't, just do that first so that you have something like this. Okay, so guys, this is the before the hip pads. Guys, this is extra large, and I just want you to comment down below if you can notice the difference between this extra large and the medium size. I really can't say there's so much difference in the sizes or how it looks, but when you put it on, that's when you'll feel the difference. You just feel like this one is kind of loose, but by looking at it you really won't feel like it's exaggerated. So when they do that, and then also someone asked me on my previous video if I pushed the short up. I pushed it a little bit in my short dresses like that, and this is how it looks in this dress. And then also another thing, if you really don't want it to look so fake, make sure you push this make sure you pull the pads up to your waist like that, and this other one to your waist like that. So guys, what do you think? Do you feel like it looks so fake compared to the medium size? So this one is extra large, which means like it's like a size larger, like 2 sizes larger than my own size. So just comment down below guys if you notice some difference, if you feel like it looks so fake compared to the medium size. The only difference that I feel is that it doesn't really like hold my tummy tight. I feel like it's kind of loose because it's not my size. I hope you learned something from this video, and I conclude by saying like there's no difference between the medium size and the large size if you decide to wear medium or large. But then what you'll feel is like the fitness, how it fits. You really won't feel like the XL fits you perfectly if you're a medium size or if you're a large size. When it comes to the way you look, like it doesn't look exaggerated. Or just comment down below guys if you notice some difference, if you feel like it looked so fake than the medium one. Okay, so that was it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.